Stefano Bedetti here. Today I'm making this little review for the G.Sugal mouthpieces. As you know, by my videos that I post regularly on Facebook and other platforms, I'm working with Gary since the last October. Actually, I had time due to this pandemic stop. I had time to think about my sound, and I wanted to renew something in my sound. I used to play with an old Autolink out of Florida, but 8, 9 years ago it fell from my hands, and since then I didn't find anymore the real sound that I'm looking for. So I asked Gary to, we exchanged a couple of emails, and I ordered a piece, and I asked him to send whatever piece he wanted to. Big opening tips, because my airflow is very powerful, and I feel comfortable with big tip opening mouthpieces. So I've got the Yeti. I did some video with the Yeti, and it was just a usual 3D printed mouthpieces, usual in the meaning of creation, 3D printed. And it literally blew me away. I didn't know that a 3D mouthpiece can be so powerful, so focused, so easy to play, and that you could reach a so beautiful sound as well. So, I decided to move forward. So I asked him for a metal piece. He sent me the Super Gonz II, and it was something unexpected. So then he sent me the Super Gonz I, which became my main piece. I still play all the time with it because it's so beautiful. I love the sound. They are pure copper. Each mouthpiece, whatever mouthpiece you take, 3D printed, Metallica, metal mouthpiece, hard rubber, they anyway in the end are hand finished by him. Gary tests each mouthpiece, and they don't leave the factory without being fully tested and played. So after all this, he told me once that he created something different, a 3D metal mouthpiece, but printed. So I said, I never saw something like this. So he sent me 3 models of the new, which is called, that he called Metallica mouthpiece. Here they are. Super Gonz I, Michael Brecker 3, no, this is Super Gonz 3, sorry. Michael Brecker 3 and KW 3. So Super Gonz, Michael Brecker, KW. 3 different mouthpieces, but same energy, same power, same focus, same beautiful sound. So actually, basically, they are made from granulated powers, metal powers, such as brass, tin. They have, all of them, all the models, they have fluted side walls, like a small feature, each side. This allow the air to flow easily and smoothly into the chamber. Plus, they have 3, you see, 3-step enhancer system inside the baffle, 3 rows, running east to west. This allows the flow of air to sizzle without sounding nasal at all. So I want to make a little clip for each one, and I like to start with my favorite, but it's my feeling, my favorite, because all of them sound unbelievable. This is the Super Gonz III. Okay, then we have the KW3. Last but not least, of course, the Michael Brecker 3. As you can see, there are slight differences, you know. This is the Super Gonz, which is fat like an Otolink. This is, you know, same line, same profile of the Michael Brecker Gardala mouthpiece. Really the same. So, plus, they come with their own ligature, gold-plated ligature. You see this beautiful acrylic, like here on the bite plate. So if you don't want to use teeth protection, you know, the patch for the mouthpiece, you can go easily without, because this is very comfortable. So hope you enjoy this new world. At least for me, is absolutely new world where Gary is introducing me, and I wanted to share with you this amazing experience. You know, wish you all the best. We see each other online, because I will keep on publishing videos. This is the only way I have to exchange music and feelings with you. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much. See you soon. Take care.